guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make fermented plant juice, which is rich in nitrogen content, phosphorus content, and potassium content. So let's start! And now, I'm looking for the plants which is rich in nitrogen here at my garden. If you are growing ornamental plants at your home, it is better, but if you don't have ornamental plants, you can use other plants like this. For the plants which is rich in nitrogen, that you can use on your fermented plant juice. This is Madre de Cacao, and it is one of the most amazing plants, high in nitrogen content. You can also include the stem of Madre de Cacao because it contains more juice than its leaves. The good things in Madre de Cacao is that if you make it as a fertilizer, it also serves as a natural insecticide for your plants. We need in our project chopping board, knife, different type of leafy green plants, different kinds of fruits, eggshell, the flower of banana, glasses, empty container, the filter cloth, stones for deepening the fermented juice, the rubber band, plastic, and weighing scale. First thing we need to do is to cut different types of leafy green leaves into small pieces. The smaller, the better, for us to be able to extract the juice through fermentation. Well, nitrogen is so vital because it is a major component of chlorophyll, the compound by which plants use sunlight energy to produce sugars from water and carbon dioxide. It is also a major component of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Without proteins, plants wither and die. Now let's start mixing the different plant materials into a bowl. So we have here the banana leaves, the sweet potato leaves, and the Madre Cacao leaves, the gabi, and the different types of grass. So let's mix it. If you are done cutting all the materials, the next thing you're going to do is to weigh them. The ratio I am going to use is half-half since I don't have enough more molasses. If you are done weighing your chopped plant materials, the molasses you are going to use is also a half kilo. If you don't have molasses, you can also substitute the sugar. And now, let's put the molasses to our plant materials. Like what I said, if you don't have molasses, you can also use sugar. And after that, let's continue mixing the plant materials and the molasses. Next fertilizer we're going to do is rich in potassium content. So let's first chop the different types of materials. The material I use in making fermented plant juice rich in potassium content is the buko, gumamela flower, the catmoon, the banana, and also a melon because they are rich in potassium content. fertilizer I am going to make. First is to cut the banana flour, and the eggshell we're going to use is toast in the oven for 5 minutes or dried in the sunlight. And crush the eggshell before mixing into the bowl.
Fermented plant juice rich in potassium content. So I have melon juice. The more juice, the more nutrients. We have here flour of vanilla, hot tea, so it's half. The molasses ingredients is also half. Half the molasses. If you don't have molasses, you can use sugar. Like what I use today.
Now let's put the plastic string and the sterilized wrap for us to be able to extract the fermented plant juice. Seal it with plastic and cover it to avoid contamination. Repeat the process to other fertilizers.
This is fermented plant juice, which is rich in phosphorus content. So we have here the already chopped flour of banana and the eggshell, which I add lemon. So we can use this. Let's add the bowl and also the banana flour. So this half. The extra sugar we need to use is also half. So
We'll just need to wait 1 to 2 weeks for them to ferment completely, and don't forget